Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
So, children, we are now New Year, that is 2021. Yes? Are you happy?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay, so Happy New Year to everyone.
Happy New Year, ma'am.
Okay.
Same to you.
So, okay, thank you, children. So, we'll start one new chapter today, that is decimals 1. Okay, have you learned, I think you have learned decimals in class 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
which all things what you know about decimals? Can you tell me? Who can tell me? One by one, one by one. Okay. If Anthony is speaking, all others, please listen carefully. Yes, Anthony. What do you know about decimals? What you have learned in class 4?
One decimal is a point.
Decimal point is there. Okay, decimal
Yes,
point.
sir.
Then
It's put after the rupee.
after?
After the paise.
Ma'am.
That is your thinking, talking about money.
Ma'am.
Yes, Agni. Yes, Agni has
Deci
something.
means 10.
Deci means 10.
10.
What do you learn in class 4 in decimals? Yes, we have one decimal part and one whole number part. Yes, integral part. So after that whole number, we will place one decimal point, and after the numbers coming after the decimal point, that is decimal part. Yes, how you will write in rupees, like 30 rupees 50 paise, how we will write 30.50. Okay, so we know what is the decimal point. Then anything more anyone can to say? Yes, we learned fractions. We learned fractions like 1 by 10. So how you can write 1 by 10 in decimal? Have you learned?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you learn?
0.1.
0.1. Okay, 0.1. So you know something about decimal. So 1 by 10 we can write 0.1. So how
Conversion.
Conversions. Yes, very good. Very good. So how you can write 1 by 100?
0.1.
0.01. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So how many zeros are there? That much numbers or digits will be there in after the decimal point. Yes. After the decimal point, how many numbers will be there? That we will look according to the denominator, the number of zeros in the denominator. Yes, children. So you will learn conversion. You learned conversion from fraction to decimal and decimal to fractions. Yes, that you have learned in class 4. So we will quickly revise. I will show you one video. All of you please mute. Okay. So we are just revising what we have learned in decimals chapter. So I will show you one video. All of you please mute. Then please listen carefully. So even if it is not that much video sound, you can be look at the board carefully. Okay.
Ma'am, we can see also.
Decimals Review. Hello kids, today let us revise the decimals. We shall revise it point by point. Decimal numbers. Decimal fractions that are fractions with 10, 100, 1000 and so on in the denominator can be represented as decimal numbers. For example, 3 upon 10 is represented and read as 0.3. 462 upon 1000 is written and read as 0.462. Mixed decimals. A mixed decimal contains a whole number that is the integral part and a decimal that is the decimal part. In this decimal, 93 is the integral part. The dot refers to the decimal point, and 56 is called as the decimal part. Decimal places. The places after the decimal point are called decimal places. The number 7.58 has 2 decimal places. The number 0.391 has 3 decimal places. Place value system. The table here shows that decimal numbers extend the place value system to the right of the ones place. Expansion of decimal numbers. We already know that we express the decimal number in the expanded form by writing the sum of the value of each digit in the given number. The expanded form of 1514.8662 is 1000 plus 500 plus 10 plus 4 plus 0.8 plus 0.06 plus 0.0002. The expanded form of 872.0006 is 800 plus 70 plus 2 plus 0.006. Here, 0 is in the tens and hundreds place. So, we do not write its place value as it is always 0. Writing decimal numbers as fractions. Write the decimal number without decimal point in the numerator and 1 followed by as many zeros as the decimal places in the decimal number in the denominator. For example, writing fractions as decimal numbers. Write the digits of the numerator and put the decimal point such as to have as many decimal places as there are zeros in the denominator of the given fraction. For example, equivalent decimals. The decimals whose values do not change even after we insert zeros after the last decimal digit are called as equivalent decimals. For example, like and unlike decimals. Like decimals are the decimals having the same number of decimal places. For example, unlike decimals are the decimals that do not have same number of decimal places. For example, comparing and ordering of decimals. Convert the unlike decimals to like decimals and then compare the integral and decimal parts of the decimal numbers to arrange in ascending and descending order. Let's arrange these decimals in the ascending and descending orders. Convert all the decimals to like decimals. On comparing the decimal parts, we get 0.400 is greater than 0.390 is greater than 0.300, which is greater than 0.039. Thus, we get the ascending order and descending orders as shown here. Kids, this revision will definitely help you all in understanding the concepts ahead.
Okay, children. So we were just revising the topics that you learned. So first of all, you know what is the decimal number. We have after the integral part, there is a decimal point. After the decimal point, that part is known as decimal part. And
Yes, ma'am.
you learn conversion of fractions to decimal and decimal to fractions. So children, for, like I will write here that
Study how
Uh,
to do ascending and
okay.
descending order of that.
Okay, that we will learn. So children, how to write what's the problem here? So we learned place value chart. Place value chart in which all forms we learned: international system and Indian system. So what we have on tens, 100, till which place value we learned this year?
Crore.
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 So we started from ones. Now in these decimal numbers, we will learn after the ones place that 10th, 100th. Here, let me see whether I can write here. Okay, 1 minute, sister.
Ma'am, share the screen.
Yes, wait. Something problem with the.
Ma'am, watch this line. Something line is there in the board.
Okay, 1 minute.
Ma'am, who is writing this?
Okay, 1 minute. Okay. Okay. So children, that place value is happening here.
Ma'am, watch.
1 minute.
Right. Ma'am, did you take whiteboard or easy board?
1 minute. 1 minute. Okay.
See the board.
So children, I will write one place value chart. You can write that in your rough book. Okay. First of all, we will write the number, that 10th, 100th, 1000th. See the spellings. That place value chart you have to draw in your rough book. Okay. You can draw. Harsha, can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am, but it is getting stuck.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay, maybe for only Harsha, because I think there's a network. Let me see. Place value chart. I will draw one decimal place value chart.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you tell little more loudly?
My voice is always louder. Yes? Decimal place value chart. So here, normally children, we will start with ones, tens. Then which is that before? Ones, tens,
Hundreds.
hundreds.
Hundreds, thousands.
We will write only till thousands, okay? Thousands. We learned till crore, but we have to now write after the ones new places. That is 10th. Look at the spelling of tens and tenth, hundreds and hundred, thousand and thousand. Here thousands, hundreds, tens.
And we can write the short form, right?
Huh?
Ma'am, we can write the short form.
No need. No need of short form. This is not this much. We are writing only till thousands. Why you want to use short form? Then decimal point. So children, here after the ones, we will put that is a decimal point. Okay. Decimal point. Then we have tenth that we have discussed. 1 by 10 we can write it as tenth. Look at the spelling, tenths. Then 100. We have to write this THS. After the decimal point, which all places are there? Tenth, 100.
Ma'am, we should write it. Ma'am,
You should write it. Yes, yes, yes. 100. Can write smaller hundreds. After hundreds, we will write thousand. THS, don't forget to write that. Thousands. THS, thousands. So here we have ones, tens, hundreds, that is going from right to left. Then after the decimal point, from the left to right, we are writing tenth, hundredth, thousandth, THS. So how we can write this tenth? 1 by 10. Hundredth, how we will write? 1 by 100. Thousandth means 1 by 1000. This decimal point we will write in. Ones, children, you know already what is ones at here. Ones, tens, then 100. So ones, tens, 100,000, that already you know how to write that. This, don't forget this tenth after the decimal point, which is the first place, that is tenth. THS is must after the decimal point. We have tens, hundreds, and thousands. Like that we can continue. Write this place value chart and I will give you some numbers. You have to write this in decimal place value chart. You can identify which number is in 10th place, 100th place. So I will write one number. 3, 4, 7. Then we have the point. 2, 4, 8. Instead of 4, I will write 2, 5, 8. 2, 5, 8. Just write down these numbers. 3, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8. Okay, now Adil, can you tell me which number is or which digit is in 10th place?
Ma'am, 2.
2. Okay, so 2 is in the 10th place. And which number is in 10th place? 10th place. 10th place.
4.
4. Very good. Very good. So identify the place values. Here it is 4 is in 10th place. 7 is in 1st place. 2 in 10th place. Okay, Chinmay, which number is in 1000th place? 1000th.
8.
8. Okay. So children, here 2 is in 10th place. So we can write here as a fraction 2 by 10. Okay. 2 by 10. 5 is in 100th place. How we can write 5 by 100. 8 in 1000th place. So how you can write here? 8 by
1000.
1000. Okay, children, this I think you have learned in class 4. How to write this decimal number as a fraction.
Fraction.
Okay, so this we can write 2/10. 2/10.
2. 500.
500s.
8,000.
The THS is very important. 500 means 500, but 500th means 5 by 100. So we can write
5 by 100. Okay.
8,000. 8,000. Okay. Now, Ayman, can you tell me this 2 by 10? How can I write as a decimal number?
And 0.2.
0.2. Okay.
0.
Yes, Gautam, 5 by 100. How can I write as a decimal number? 0.
0.5.
0.5. 0.5. That is very important. So children, look at here the number of zeros, 2. And look at here the number of digits after the decimal point, that also 2. Understood? So this conversion from fractions to decimal, you have already learned in class 4, which just we are writing and revising only with some examples. Okay, Anandesh, can you tell me 8 by 1000, how can I write as a decimal? Yes, Anandesh?
Can I even say?
Yes, ma'am. 0.008.
Okay. So here, children, here, look at here. How many decimals we have? 3 decimal
3
points.
decimals.
And check how many zeros are there in the denominator for that fraction 3. So
3.
you have to see how to write from fraction to decimal and from decimal to fraction. So this 2 by 10, how we can write as a decimal? 0.2. So here 1 0. So there will be one number after the decimal point. Here we have 2 zeros in the denominator. So our decimal part will also have 2 numbers after the decimal point. Understood? And 8,000. 8,000th. That also here, look at the number of zeros in the denominator, that is 3. And after the decimal point also we have 3 places. Okay, children. So I will give you some questions. You can write down.
Okay, ma'am.
Convert 7 by 100. Children, to decimal. Question number 1. Convert fractions into.
Ma'am,
Convert this into.
Ma'am, 8,000 it will be 0.008.
What?
Ma'am, that 8,000. 0.
How we can write 8,000 as a
0.008.
decimal? No, this is a whole number.
No,
8
ma'am,
by 1,000 you are asking? 8 by 1,000?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So here how many zeros?
3 zeros,
3 zeros.
0.008.
0.008. So here 3 and there should be 3 after the decimal point.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me see here. What was the question I told you to convert which number? 7 by 100. So children, not finished. I will give you 2-3 questions. Don't say the answers. We will discuss the answers later. Question number A. Convert into decimal number. Question number B. 2 by 10. Question number C. 5 by 1,000. I will ask one by one. So children, don't say the answers loud. Yes. Wait, I will ask one by one. I have to wait. Okay, now Let me see here.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, if the fraction is 372 by 1000, we should write 0 by 372.
Yes. After the decimal point, if it is 3 digits, no need to add any zeros in the front.
Okay.
Okay, Rohit, can you say the answer here? Rohit, question number A. 7
0,
by 0
0.007.
0.07. Children, please see here. We have 2 zeros. So after the decimal point also, we should have how many digits? 2. Okay, very good. So Ananda, question number B.
0.2.
0.2. Here we have only 1 0. After the decimal point also, 1 number. Brightlin, next one. Question number C.
Ma'am, 0.005.
005. Here, 1, 2, 3 zeros in the denominator. And here also, 1, 2, 3 after the decimal point. Yes. Children, please check whether all of you got correct answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now, so this is converting into decimal. Now, can you write this expanded form? Yes, you learned, no? Expanded form. Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
we'll, yes.
Chifi.
Who is calling? Yes, Anthony. Yes.
Ma'am, last class, you told to send a message to send the note of 10 points.
Okay, okay, I'll send. Okay, I'll send today. Okay. Here. Next one, children, expand. We are revising here. Expand. So, I will give you now numbers without a decimal point. You can expand 5,432. Expand this number. How can we expand? You know these place values. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000. Yes, hello. Can you write this in expanded form?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I should tell now
Yes.
5,000 plus
Very good. 5. After 5, how many zero? 1,
3 zeros.
1, 2, 3 plus
400 plus
100 plus
30 plus
30 plus
2.
2. Okay, so children, how we will write? How we got this answer? 5 into 1,000 plus 4 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 2. But here after if this decimal point, what we will write here? We will write 1 by 10. Then by 100. So this number we know how to expand. But after the decimal point, what is that? Divide. We will divide. So children, please check here. This decimals, how it's moving, this multiply by 10 or divide by 10. For example, here if I have ones, tens, 100, 1,000. So I have this number 5, 4, 3, 2. So children, here instead of writing this number, I will write ones, 10, here 100, 1,000. So children, in this place value chart, how you will get from, if you are moving from right to left, how will get 1 into 10? Can you tell me how we can either, we have to multiply or divide from right to left?
Multiply with
Multiply.
10. Multiply with
So children, 1 into 10,
10 into 10,
we will get
100
10.
into 10,000.
Now from this 10, what you will do? Multiply with 10. Okay, you will get 100. Again this 100, how you can get 1000? Again multiply by
10.
multiply by 10. Okay. Now children, we will go back from left to right. How will I go? This opposite.
Divide by 10.
Divide. Yes.
by 10.
So if I want to
Divide by 10.
Okay.
Ma'am, we should divide by 10.
Okay. So divide by 10 from, if you want to go from this opposite, that is from left to right, divide by 10. From this 100, how you will get 10? Again divide by 10. Again from 10, when you go to 1.
Divide by 10.
So children, here also, after 1, when you go, you should again divide by 10. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
This is 10th place. Understood? So here in between we have here decimal, decimal point. Okay. After this decimal point, you had to here, divide by 10. Again divide by 10, divide by 10. Here also divide by 10, 1 by 10. Then 100th. That also from here you had to again divide by 10. So 100th means 1 by 100. Understood? Yes, children. So from, can you tell me, who can tell me, when we move in a decimal place value chart from left to right, from left to right, what will happen? Divide. Yes. Division. Left to right. So without decimal point we are now discussing. So from right to left, when we move in the place value chart, multiply. Understood? So after the decimal point also, when we move from left to right, what we had to do? Divide. Understood? Divide. So can you write this expanded form?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have, children, we have written here only without decimal. Now I will give you with decimal. So here,
I did not understood the question.
I did not write the question. I told you to write this.
Ma'am, with the decimal point.
Okay, first write down the question. 13.45. What I told you to do, we have to write in the expanded form. What we have to do? Write in the expanded form.
Ma'am, finish.
So, children, what we will do? 1 in the 10th place. So, 1 into 10 plus 3 in which place? 1s and 10s we have.
3 into 1.
3 into 1. Now, 4 into what we have to do?
4 into 1 by 10.
10
4
place.
by
4 by 10, or we can 1 by 10.
10.
So here
4
we,
by 10.
4 by 10
0.4.
plus what we will do? 5 by what?
5 into 1 by 5 into 1.
This is 100th place. 100th.
So 5 into 1
by 100, or we can write 5 by 100. So how we can write 1 into 10? 10 plus 3 into 1? 3 plus 4 into 1 by 10? 4 by 10 plus 5 by 100. So Angelina, I told you to write like this, expanded form. Okay. So here children, 13 is in the integral part, or we can say whole part. Whole. Just please wait 1 minute. Let me complete this. So children, what is this number? How we will read 13? That is the integral part. So which is the decimal part? Integral, or we can say whole number. whole number or integral part. So which is the decimal point, decimal part?
Ma'am, after the decimal,
After the decimal, this is the decimal.
4 and 5 are a decimal.
Decimal point. After the decimal point, we will say that is decimal part.
Part.
Decimal
Part.
We can say this is decimal part, and which is the integral. Integral means that is whole number. Integral part.
And instead of integral, we can say whole number.
Whole number part, okay. Integral or whole number. After the whole number, what we will do? We will place the point. That point is called decimal point. Okay. After the decimal point, we have decimal part. Decimal part. So which is the number here in the decimal part? 4, 5. 4, 5. So 4 into 1 by 10 plus 5 by 100.
To expand decimals by in fourth standard. There was some network issues in that time, and he was telling about expand. So I that was the doubt.
This way you learned in the class 4. Yes.
Fourth standard.
Fourth standard.
Excuse me,
Yes. One by one. Yes. Anandesh, please wait. Anthony.
ma'am. When we expand 13.45, we can write 10 plus 3 plus 0.4 plus 0.05.
So we just write as a fraction. That
Fraction,
0.4 is same as 4 by 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Anandesh.
Ma'am, when we expand the form, we write 4 into 1 by 10. Then and we write 5 by 100. Why? You wrote 5 4 1 by 10 and 5 1 by 5.
Look at the second step. Look at the second step. Here I have written 4 by 10. Here 5 by 100. 5 into 1 by 100. It's same. 5 into 1 by 100 is same. I have written here 5 by 100. 4 by 10.
Well, then why are we writing 4 into 1 by 10?
No problem. Yes?
Ma'am.
And why are we writing 4 into 1 by 10?
Children, 1 minute. Look at here. Here, if I tell you 5, 1, 3, 2, expand. Some children will write 5 into 1000 plus 1 into 100 plus 30 in 3 into 10 plus 2. Yes? Without this, some will write 5000 plus 100 plus 30 plus 2. The same. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Like this only, we can write 4 into 1 by 10 or we can write 4 by 10.
Ma'am.
Understood?
When 0.4.
Okay, children, 1 minute.
No
Let
problem.
me. 1 minute. We will have the time to wind up. We will join
Yes,
in
ma'am.
our
Just board.
board.
Ma'am,
Number?
Board 7.
Board number 7. Okay, bye.
7.
Board number